Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're going to make some delicious Thai red chicken curry. And in this recipe, I'm going to show you how most Thai people make it. Are you ready to make some delicious red chicken curry? Let's go through the list of ingredients. The main flavouring ingredient for Thai red curry is the curry paste. We can either gather all the ingredients for the curry paste separately and then mix them using a pestle and mortar, or do what most Thai people do and use a ready-made red curry paste. Even the curry pastes that you get in supermarket jars produce good results, but in this recipe we'll add a couple more ingredients to make it taste even better. So the ingredients are 400 grams of chicken, skinned and cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, 2 kaffir lime leaves, you can use either dried ones or fresh ones, a small piece of palm sugar or you can substitute brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 medium onion cut up into small cubes, and 1 tin of coconut milk. And now onto the method. Fry the onions and garlic in the oil for about 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Then stir in the ginger and curry paste and cook for a further 1 minute. After that, mix in the coconut milk, fish sauce, sugar and lime leaves and bring to the boil. Stir in the chicken, then cover and simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is cooked through. When the curry is ready, serve with freshly cooked Thai jasmine rice, and you will have a meal that will not be out of place on a restaurant menu. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this recipe a go and see you next time.